Welcome to the Tarot Basic course. Here what you are going to learn, we will be knowing brief intro about the tarot. Then we will be knowing how to cleanse and clear your deck, when you have to cleanse your deck, how you can reprogram your deck, why it is necessary to meditate with your deck, with your cards every day. Then we will move to the each card meaning. Briefly we are going to know each card meaning. Then we'll be doing to the basic spreads. Once the meaning will be over, we will move to the basic spreads where we are going to learn one card, two card and three card spread. And finally, the course will be concluded with tarot spells. I hope you will enjoy the course. So we will be starting our journey with this traditional deck, the original Rider-Waite tarot deck. It is a deck of 78 cards which contains 22 major and 56 minor arcana cards. How we are going to give the reading from all these cards? When you look at the images on each card, you will get some meaning, your intuition will give some kind of meaning. Accordingly, we are going to interpret the cards. In future lesson, we are going to learn about each and every card. So the meaning we will learn and how we are going to interpret that we are going to learn. Now we will discuss what is arcana. Why we are talking arcana here, major arcana, minor arcana. Arcana means a knowledge or a lesson, or I would say the effort or our karma of our life which everyone has to go through. If the soul has born, so it has to go through, it has to learn the spiritual lessons, small, big, all lessons he has to learn, and then the journey is going to complete. So this arcana, the major and minor arcana, how it talks about the journey of a soul. The major arcana actually represents here the major events of our life for which the soul has born, as I already said. It is believed that major events of our life can't be changed because we are here to learn those lessons. So the major arcana, basically it is a destine. So these are the major arcana cards. It is also called as a trump card of the deck. It starts with 0 number card, the Fool card, and ends with the World card, 21st numbered card. These major arcana cards, it talks about these 22 cards. Actually, it talks about journey of a soul which starts as a fool and slowly learns different spiritual lessons in this life, and finally journey ends with the World card. One by one card meaning we will learn in the coming lessons. Next we will move to the minor arcana card. So these are the minor arcana cards. As you can see, these are total 56 cards, which is a combination of 4 suits. These suits are swords, wands, cups and pentacles. Swords and wands I just kept on the second row, and cups and the pentacles I kept on the third row. You can see these minor arcana cards, it starts with aces and ends on the tens. So when we will just learn the each card, we will understand some more, we will get the meaning, how these suits represent. So we will start accordingly. There are 16 court cards which is a part of the minor arcana card. As you can see on the first row, I just kept the court cards. Generally these court cards are tricky to read and it generally represents the personality while we are doing the reading, but sometimes it talks about the situation also. So this is the section, the code cards, where people used to get stuck, but we will just try to decode that also in our this course. So these are the code cards, these are the part of the minor arcana only. These are total 16 cards which contains each suit You can see the 4 cards from each suit, which I had already discussed. It starts with page and ends with king. So you can see like that: page, knight, queen and king. Generally these cards, these are the tricky cards to read while it comes in a reading. But a general idea I will give, like it represents the personality. Sometimes it represents the situation also. But when you'll start using these cards, connect with the card so you can just understand what the meaning the card is giving. So in the coming lesson, we will be learning each card meaning. We will start with the major arcana card, then we'll slowly move to the minor arcana card. Then we will learn the different spreads, some spells, as I had already shared the course detail. I hope you will enjoy the course.